Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in technology and gadgets. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile headlamps on the market, the Delfi Strip Lamp Pro. This headlamp isn't just your average light source. It's packed with features that make it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. First off, let's talk about design. The Delfi Strip Lamp Pro boasts a sleek, lightweight build designed for comfort and functionality. It weighs only 3.4 ounces, making it incredibly portable. Whether you're hiking, running, or working in tight spaces, its adjustable headband ensures a secure fit without any discomfort. Now, onto its lighting capabilities. This headlamp offers a remarkable 230 degrees wide-angle lighting, providing a broad coverage area without the need to constantly adjust your head. The main LED XPE light emits a powerful beam that reaches up to 150 feet, ensuring visibility even in the darkest environments. What sets the Delfi Strip Lamp Pro apart is its advanced motion sensor mode. With a simple wave of your hand, you can control the light without touching the device. This feature is not only convenient but also helps in situations where you need hands-free operation, like when you're working on a project or setting up camp at night. Moving on to durability and power. This headlamp is equipped with a 1200 mAh rechargeable lithium polymer battery. It supports multiple charging methods via micro USB, ensuring you stay powered up during extended outdoor adventures. Plus, with an IPX4 waterproof rating, it can withstand rain and splashes, adding to its rugged reliability. If you're in the market for a high-performance headlamp that combines functionality with ease of use, look no further than the Delfi Strip Lamp Pro. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today and experience the difference for yourself. That wraps up our review of the Delfi Strip Lamp Pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we bring you the best in consumer technology. Until next time, stay illuminated.